Imagine being able to earn crypto rewards just by holding onto your crypto assets. If you think this sounds too good to be true, stay tuned, because we're about to explore the world of crypto staking and its benefits. First off, what is crypto staking? Simply put, staking is the process of participating in the validation of transactions on a blockchain network. By staking your crypto assets, you support the network's security and operations and, in return, earn rewards. It's similar to earning interest on a savings account, but with cryptocurrencies. To understand staking first, we need to learn how the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism works. Unlike the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, which relies on an energy-intensive mining process, proof-of-stake relies on validators who are chosen based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This method is more energy-efficient and scalable than mining. You won't be able to stake Bitcoin, since it uses the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, but there are still plenty of interesting crypto options available, such as Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, Polkadot, and Tezos. Each of these platforms has its own staking mechanisms and reward systems. Ready to start staking and earning rewards? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Choose a staking platform first. You'll need to select a platform that supports staking such as Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. You can also use dedicated staking wallets like Trust Wallet or Ledger. Buy or transfer crypto next. You'll need to purchase or transfer the cryptocurrency you wish to stake into your staking wallet or exchange account. Stake your crypto. Follow the platform's instructions to stake your assets. This usually involves selecting the amount you want to stake and committing it to the staking pool. Earn rewards. Once your crypto is staked, you'll start earning rewards. These can be paid out daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on the platform and the crypto you're staking. Are there any risks involved with staking? Yes, just like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks. This includes the fluctuating value of your staked crypto, potential technical issues, or platform hacks. However, you can minimize these by choosing a reputable platform and keeping an eye on the market at all times. With that approach, staking can turn into a very lucrative source of income.